This job is paying $50,000 annually, and this is for every lovers of healthcare industry. Or maybe you're not even a lover, or you're just passionate, you're just serious about working remotely right now. You need a remote job that is in the healthcare industry, man. Guys, this is the opportunities for you to take up right now. And before I get into the details of this video right now, what are you waiting for? If you're not yet, give this video a like right now, or you've not yet clicked the red button below to subscribe for more videos like this. What are you doing? Do that right now. Just leave me a comment down below this video and get this video to 10,000 likes right now. Your likes goes a long way, guys. I'm going to be giving you all the details in these companies, how to get contact, how to get in touch with them and all that. So you need to stay to the end of this video, because I have a bonus for you at the end of this video also. So let's get into this video without further ado. So here we go right now, the website where you're going to be getting all the details about this healthcare remote job right now. This is a complete 100% remote job right now. See what is written here right now. It says remote health plan disenrollment specialist, Alignment Healthcare, Lake Forest, California, baby. You can see they are in the medical. This job is full-time. It's full-time, man. This is the job description. Before we go into the company info right now, so you can get out to contact them right now. And by the way, if you are not even interested in this right now, do you know that if you can share this video on your social media right now and somebody get this information through the video that you share, I tell you, 100 years from now, that person is going to be talking about you, because you are the one that helped them to get it. They're not even going to be talking about me that shared the video right now. It's you that shared the video with them on the social media that helped them to get this opportunity that they are going to be thanking later, tomorrow, or whenever. So let's see the details of this job right now. It's a job number. We're not interested in that. Workplace is fully remote. Yeah, that's what you're interested in. Yeah. Position is a disenrollment specialist. That's the position that they want you to take right now. External description: individual with health plan call center. That's basically what this job is all about. Just sitting down in your home and just helping this company to make calls to their clients, man. Call center and Medicare sales experience are highly encouraged to apply. Okay, that's what it's saying we should apply. It said overview of the role. Alignment Health is seeking a passionate. You can see you have to be passionate about, either you're passionate about job or you're just basically passionate about working alone. Those two things matters, and they really count. So attentive and customer service oriented disenrollment specialist to join the members retention team. As a disenrollment specialist, you can get to support our members with disenrollment requests and provide related quality assurance. If you are genuinely interested in this, in the need of our members, committed to proactively addressing members' need, a solution-seeking problem solver, and can effectively resolve call and escalation, we are looking for you, guys. All those that I just read right now are the quality they are looking for in a person that wants to apply for this job you're seeing here right now. I say, please note, the role is an eligible for a monthly quality incentive bonus based on individual and team. So you see, they have a bonus for you, man. Guys, what are you waiting for? Go get this job right now. You can see all the time that you need to work right here, from 8 to 5 on specific time, from 9 to 6 sometimes, from 10 to 7. Just depends on the work. It can just be around. So I'm going to put a link below this video right now, so that you can come and check out this job offer that you're seeing here right now. They have a whole lot of details that you need to go through before you enter for this detail. So you can see pay range from 41,600,000 to 50,000 annually. City, remote USA. You just had to be in the USA. Remote state is California. Location, city, remote USA, California, blah blah blah. Let's check the company details right here so we can see quickly how to contact the company right there. So let's check the company. Let's see the company website or whatever they put down that we can see. And alignmenthealth.com. You can see they've been around since 2013, and they have Facebook, they have X, they have Instagram. So you can go look them up right now and just send them a mail, send them a DM, go to their inbox and go DM them right now.